If you are thinking that I wish I had, say, a paid version of ChatGPT or say Gemini or even Cursor and get all those fancy insights into my project artifacts and I could present to my management, there is a way. You can do all this for free. Yes, you heard me correct. You can do all this for free. The only thing you need is a Google Drive account, and I'm sure most of us have one today. And if you don't have one, you should go and create one first today, now, and then come and watch this video. Once you have your Google Drive set up, create a folder in Google Drive and then upload your project artifacts there. Maybe your project plan, you want to get insight in your project plan, which tasks got delayed this week, which are the upcoming tasks this week or next week, which are the risks, which are the high risks in your risk register, or say which are the critical risks which might impact the project delivery. So if you want to get such insights, you can do this. First, you upload your risk register or your say project plan, whatever, from whichever artifact you want to get that insight. You upload it in your Google Drive, you create a folder, project folder, and then my project, or name it something, whatever you want to, and upload your project documents there. And then you do this. Let's go to Google Drive and create a folder there. I have created one folder called My Project and I have uploaded my project plan there. You can do the same, and then go to Gemini and you select Google Drive, and this should be enabled. If not, you need to enable the connected apps, which I will show you at the end of the video. Now, after selecting Google Drive, I have provided this prompt, review and provide milestone summary for this project plan from the folder. So be very specific to mention which folder it need to connect to, and if possible also the file name. And then it connects to your workspace, and from there it reads the file and provides this management summary. So you can put your own prompt as per your requirement, and this should work. Now let's also try with a few more prompts. So this is the management summary for the Rocket Connect project. It's a fictitious project, and let's try another prompt. So basically I'm asking from sprint plan sheet of the project plan to summarize all the sprint and tell me what is the progress. So it is saying 4 sprints are over and one sprint in progress, one is scheduled next week. So this is how you use Gemini to get insights from your project artifacts. But ensure that you are very specific. You provide specific folder name where to connect, my project in this case. And now if you see, as I mentioned earlier, if your Google Drive option is not enabled, what you need to do is, now let's try submitting this prompt. Now we saw that Google Drive is not enabled. So what Gemini will show is it doesn't have access to your Google Drive, and that's why it's not able to return any insight. So let's go to settings and let's go to personal intelligence and go to connected apps, and here your connected apps Google Drive should be enabled. So you enable it, connect, and that's it. And you need to restart your Gemini and it should work. But also note that, let me show you. So even if I have now enabled, and if I just after enabling I submit one prompt, it will still say that it doesn't have access because it needs some time for Gemini and Google Drive to sync. Hit that like and subscribe button if you like my video. Your like and share and subscribe motivates me to create and bring more such videos to you. See you in the next video. Stay AI savvy, stay ahead.